Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. But if you can't tell, we're not at Haulover, we are on a field trip to BOCA. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the inlet, where we do a 5-round competition to see who can win, whether it will be man and machine or the inlet. Our first round contestant's gonna show you what it's like when a legend is born. That's right, we have all of our Haulover legends, we now have a BOCA legend, and that's going to be the new blue top legend as these girls come blasting their way out of BOCA Inlet. Here we can see they've got the throttle down on this little whaler and they're giving it all this boat can handle, and right here we're going airborne. And you know what? I don't think I've ever heard the engine bark on a boat this size coming through one of the inlets until now. These girls gave this thing absolute hell as they came rolling out of BOCA and looked like they had an absolute blast while doing it. Welcome to the Legend Club, ladies, and Team Full Send, and of course these girls are going to easily take our win for the boats here in the first round. The ladies have definitely set the bar high, but let's see how our second round contestant does as they try and send it through BOCA Inlet as well. Here we'll see this crew making their way out of the inlet. They're keeping the boat at a pretty decent pace. Once again, it's a nice tight chop here at BOCA, and oh my, this crew decides they're gonna send it as well. I don't know what's going on here today, but it's a bunch of small boats coming out of BOCA. It's firing a little bit. These guys are giving BOCA all it can handle. No! What is our crew doing? Just when I thought they had this one locked up and in the bag, they're doing a BOCA U-turn. That one wave was enough for them, and they've decided they don't want any more of BOCA, and unfortunately it looks like our crew, after sending it over that big wave, is going to take a loss as they have to come working their way back into BOCA Inlet. But don't worry, the boats are not done sending it today, because back at it again is none other than the blue top legend coming through, and man, these girls send it one more time. Full airborne, engine completely out of the water, and they smack down hard, but they keep it riding. They don't let off the throttle and push their way through it, and man, these girls are absolutely destroying BOCA today. And unfortunately for BOCA, especially on a day like today where it probably would take a win, if these girls keep at it, they may single-handedly take the win for the boats. But let's see how our fourth round captain fares as they try and make their way into BOCA, and we play one of our favorite games, Can They Hang On? Here we're going to see this vessel coming through, and we kind of got a half BOCA cowboy thing going on here. My man's up in the bow of this vessel for some reason. I'm not sure exactly what the purpose of this was, if he's trying to look out for rocks or something for the captain, but the reality is probably more blocking his view than anything. But anyways, our guys up here, let's see if my man can hold his pace and keep standing as they make their way into BOCA Inlet. So far, so good. These guys are kind of taking the slow roll approach, but no, he's taking his hands off, and now he's just standing free, and of course, BOCA knocks him down. And that's going to give this round of BOCA Inlet, bringing us to a 2-2 tie as we head into our fifth and final round. Who will take the win this week? Will it be BOCA Inlet or the boats? And the boats are going to go ahead and try and bring it home with none other than the blue top legend coming in one more time. We've seen them make it out twice. Let's see how they do on their approach as they come into BOCA Inlet. Here we can see they're holding a pretty good pace. The bow is staying up and out of the water, and the girls, kind of like in the other two rounds, are absolutely just sending this little Boston whaler right in some tough chop and making their way into the inlet. And it looks like the girls are going to have no issues, and they're actually going to take all 3 wins in this episode, giving this episode to the boats. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet and BOCA Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps around South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.